Hello everyone, this question appears in Class 7th NCERT chapter of fractions and decimals. This is first question of its exercise 2.6. So the question says that find. So 0.2 into 6. So decimal triangle, so divide by 10. So there are 12 by 10 is equal to 1.2. Then second 8 into 4.6. So decimal triangle, so divide by 10. 8 6 are 48, 8 4 are 32, so there are 36 upon 10 is equal to 36.8. Then third, 2.71 into 5, decimal triangle, so divide by 100. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, and 5 twos are 10 plus 3, 13. Upon 100, so हो जाएगा after 2 digit हम decimal प्लस करेंगे 13.55. Fourth part is 20.1 into 4. So decimal हटाएंगे, so divide by 10. So 804 upon 10. So 80.4. Then fifth part is 0.05 into 7. Decimal हटाएंगे 2 digits से, so divide by 100. 5 sevens are 35 upon 100 is equal to 0.35. Sixth part is 211.02 into 4. Decimal हटाएंगे, so upon 100. 4 to the 8, 4 1s are 4, 0 4 to the 8 upon 100 is equal to 844.08. Then seventh part is 2 into 0.86. Decimal हटाएंगे, divide by 100. 6 to the 12, 2, 1 carry. 8 to the 16 plus 1, 17 upon 100. So there are 1.72. Thank you.